Welcome back to the channel, Turbo Army. Hope everyone's having a good Monday and start to the week as I am. Now let's dive right in. So yes, Bitcoin has been up the last couple days. And while it might seem like the entire market has been up as well, that's just not the case. Most meme coins have been flat the last week or two, and Turbo is no exception. So while it might seem like the Turbo price action has been a little bit lackluster of lately, Turbo actually is the traction, the activity, and the developments for Turbo has actually really been picking up the last couple days. And when you combine a long consolidation price-wise with increased activity, that is when the chart just starts to move up on its own out of nowhere. So in today's video, we're going to discuss exactly what these new developments are. And before we go any further, don't forget to check out BTCC. This is the exchange that I use for most of my crypto trading. They are fully licensed and available for traders in the USA like myself, in Canada, in Europe, and everywhere else. No VPN or KYC is needed. BTCC just moved into the top 50 in terms of daily spot market trading volumes. They are an exchange on the rise. Additionally, if you go through my referral link at the top of the video description area, right down here, you get up to $10,000 in bonuses that can be used to cover things like trading fees, trading losses, etc. And finally, definitely give them a follow on their Twitter page because BTCC is always doing giveaways, contests, competitions, etc. Right now, they're doing a 100K virtual fund trading competition. And if you perform well, you can win a $300 Amazon gift card. So definitely check that out. Now back to Turbo. We're going to check out some Ethereum meme price charts and see how Turbo stacks up because it's kind of interesting. So take a look at this. This is the 60-day 2-month Turbo chart. Obviously, we had the big pump about six weeks ago. It pumped up to 400 million. It consolidated there for a few weeks, and now it has dipped about 30%. But we are consolidating at the 300 million current levels. That is the good news. Now, Pepe's chart is identical. Why are we looking at Pepe? Because it's an Ethereum meme that was created the exact same month as Turbo. They are exactly 2 years old, and it's an identical price chart. It pumped at roughly the same time, then it consolidated for a couple weeks at its $6 billion levels, then it dipped again about, 20-25%, and it's consolidating there just like Turbo. Now let's look at SPX 6900 because this one kind of bucks the trend, even though it's on Ethereum, but it's a newer ETH meme created 9 months ago as opposed to 2 years ago for the other two coins we just looked at. So SPX started pumping at roughly the same time that the other two coins started pumping, but then it just has kept going since then. So you could look at this a few ways. It could be SPX is sucking away liquidity from Pepe and Turbo and the older memes, or it could just mean the newer ETH memes right now are hot, but then we've seen Pepe and Turbo turn around many times before, so it could be the old school ETH memes are going to start pumping in another month or two. We just don't know. But there are many bullish factors for Turbo. And number one, in my opinion, is the fact that it is already listed on Binance US and Coinbase. Now, it's also listed on Binance Global, regular Binance, but for this example, Binance US and Coinbase are the relevant entities. Why? Because they are both USA-based exchanges. And what is the one big USA brokerage / exchange that Turbo is not yet listed on, like the only one? That is, of course, Robinhood Crypto that I'm talking about. So if Binance US and Coinbase, the two biggest USA exchanges, have already listed it, why would Robinhood not? In my opinion, it's a matter of when, not if, they decide to list Turbo. Other bullish factors, Turbo, their Twitter action has really picked up lately. It used to just be they would just tweet once a day, one meme. Now we have memes in Chinese, we have memes in English, we have new developments, like literally 4 memes yesterday, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So the team is just more engaged than ever before. As for these new developments, here's a big one. They're launching Tangem Wallet. That's a hardware wallet. It looks like this in credit card format. They are launching a Turbo branded Tangem wallet. Now, if 350 are sold at the $62 price point, then Tangem wallet will mass produce this Turbo wallet. If 350 are not sold, then they will not, and you can obviously store your Turbo and other coins in this wallet. Very cool. What else do we have here? Now Wallet has partnered with Turbo. So previously you could store your Turbo coins in Now Wallet. It's mostly a paper wallet. Now the Turbo logo will pop up, the price calculation, everything. So it just adds more credibility to both brands, Turbo and Now. And now let's look at what crypto Twitter is saying. People are bullish. Turbo Seer reads like a chart looking like destiny. What else do we have here? Turbo is breaking bullish pennant on the 4-hour chart. While others scroll, he codes, Turbo is his protocol. We are going up. What else do we have here? Turbo Cupid doesn't shoot arrows, he slays charts, red love. So it's just kind of like a fun-loving community, and that is it, guys. So Turbo Army, drop a comment down below. Love hearing from you guys. Just say hi, thanks over if you haven't already. I'll be back later with a new video. BenCrypt signing out. Catch you later.